ഓം ശ്രീ പരമാത്മനെ നമ. അതക പഞ്ചമോധ്യായ ചാപ്റ്റർ 5. സന്യാസം കർമ്മണാം കൃഷ്ണ പുനർയോഗ സംശസി യച്ഛ്രേയ യതയോരകം തന്മേ ബ്രൂഹി സുനിശ്ചിതം. Arjuna said, Krishna, you extolled Sankhya Yoga, the yoga of knowledge, and then the yoga of action. Pray, tell me, which of the two is decidedly conducive to my good? Sri Bhagavan Vaja, Sannyasa, Karma Yogascha, Nisrayasa, Akara Ubau, Tayostu karma sannyasar karma yogo vishishyade. Sri Bhagavan said, the yoga of knowledge and the yoga of action both lead to supreme bliss. Of the two, however, the yoga of action, being easier of practice, is superior to the yoga of knowledge. Jnaya sa nitya sannyasi yo na dveshti na kankshati nirdvandvo hi mahabhago sugam bandhat pramuchayade. The karma yogi who neither hates nor desires should ever be considered a renunciant. For Arjuna, he who is free from the pairs of opposites is easily liberated from bondage. Sankhya Yoga Pradagbala Pravadandina Pandita Yegamabhyastida Samya Agubayor Vindade Phalam. It is the ignorant, not the wise, who say that Sankhya Yoga and Karma Yoga lead to divergent results. For one who is firmly established in either gets the fruit of both, which is the same, vice, God realization. Yes, Sangye prapyade sthanam tadyo gairabi gamyade yegam sangyam cha yogam cha ya pashyadi sa pashyadi. The supreme state, which is reached by the Sankhya Yogi, is attained also by the Karma Yogi. Therefore, he alone who sees Sankhya Yoga and Karma Yoga as identical so far as their results goes, sees truly Sannyasastu Mahabhago Dukkha Maptu Mayogada. Yoga yukto munir brahma na achirena adigachadi. Without karma yoga, however, Sankhya Yoga, example renunciation of doership in relation to all activities of the mind, senses, and the body is difficult to accomplish, whereas the Karma Yogi, who keeps his mind fixed on God, reaches Brahma in no time. Arjuna. Yoga ito Vishuddhatma Vijedatma Jidendriya Sarvabhudatma Kurvannabi na lipyade. The Karma Yogi who has fully conquered his mind and mastered his senses, whose heart is pure, and who has identified his self with the self of all beings. Wise God remains untainted even though performing action. Naiva kinjat karomidi yukto manyet tattva-with pashin sra anva insprisha ji na sn gnech sniva a panya swa san pralapanvi srija gne mi shanni mishanna bi indriya nindriya deshu vartanda iti dharayan. However, the Sankhya Yogi who knows the reality of things must believe that he does nothing, even though seeing, hearing, touching, smelling, eating or drinking, walking, sleeping, breathing, speaking, answering the calls of nature, grasping and opening or closing the eyes, holding that it is the senses alone that are moving among their objects. Brahmanya adaya karmani sangam tektva karodi ya lipyadena sa pabena padmapatra miva basa. He who acts offering all actions to God and shaking off attachment remains untouched by sin, as the lotus leaf by water. Kayena manasa buddhya kevalairindrayirabi yogina karma kurvanti sangam tektvatma shuddhe. The karma yogis perform action only with their senses, mind, intellect, and body as well, without the feeling of mind in respect of them and shaking of attachment, simply for the sake of self-purification. Yukta karma phalam tektva shanti mapnoti naishti him ayukta kama karena phale sakto nibadhyate. Offering the fruit of actions to God, the karma yogi attains everlasting peace in the form of God realization, whereas he who works with a selfish motive, being attached to the fruit of actions through desire, gets tied down. Sarva karmani manasa sanya syaste sugam vashi navadware pure dehi naiva kurvanna karenna. The self-controlled Sankhya Yogi, doing nothing himself and getting nothing done by others, rests happily in God, the embodiment of truth, knowledge and bliss, mentally relegating all actions to the mansions of 9 gates, the body with 9 openings, न कर्तृत्वं न कर्माणि लोकस्य सृजति प्रभु न कर्मफल संयोगं स्वभावस्तु प्रवर्तते. God determines neither the doership nor the doings of men nor even their contact with the fruit of actions, but it is nature alone that does all this. ജ്ഞാതത്തെ കസ്യചിത് പാപം ന ചൈവ സുഹൃതം വിഭു അജ്ഞാനേനാവൃതം ജ്ഞാനം തേന മുഹ്യന്തി ജന്തവ. The omnipresent God does not partake the virtue or sin of anyone. Knowledge is enveloped by ignorance, hence it is that beings are constantly falling a prey to delusion. Jnanena tu tat jnanam yesham nashitmatmana tesham aditya vajnanam prakashayati tadparam. In the case, however, of those whose said ignorance has been destroyed by true knowledge of God, that wisdom, shining like the sun, reveals the Supreme. Tat buddhya asta dhatmana asta nishtasta adparayana gacchantya punaravriti jnana nirdhuta kalmasha. Those whose mind and intellect are wholly merged in Him, who remain constantly established in identity with Him, and have finally become one with Him, their sins being wiped out, by wisdom reach the supreme goal whence there is no return. Vidya Vinay Sampanne Brahmane Gavi Hastini Shuni Chaiva Sobhage ja Pandita Samadarshina. The wise look the equanimity on all, whether it be a Brahmana endowed with learning and humility, a cow, an elephant, a dog, or a pariah too. Ihaiva tairjida sargo yesha samye stidam mana nirdosham hi samam brahma tasmad brahmani te stida. Even here is the mortal plane conquered by those whose mind is established in equanimity, since the Absolute is untouched by evil and is the same to all. Hence, they are established in Brahma, the Paramatma, na pragishye priyam prapya nyodvijed prapya cha priyam stira buddhir sammudo brahmavid brahmanis sthir. He who with fame, intellect and free from doubt rejoices not on obtaining what is pleasant and does not feel perturbed on meeting with the unpleasant, that knower of Brahma lives eternally in identity with the Brahma. Bhagyasparsheshwa sattatma vindatyatmani yatsugam sa brahmayoga yuktatma sugamakshaya mashnude. He whose mind remains unattached to sense objects derives through mediation the Satvika joy which dwells in the mind Antakarana, then that yogi, having completely identified himself through meditation with Brahma, enjoys eternal bliss. Yagi samsparshaja bhoga dukkayonaya yava te adyantavantaha kaundeya na teshu ramade Buddha. The pleasures which are born of sense contacts are verily a source of suffering only, though appearing as enjoyable to worldly minded people. They have a beginning and an end. They come and go. Arjuna, it is for this reason that a wise man does not indulge in them. Shaknodi haiva ya sodum traksharira vimokshanat kamakrododbhavam vegam sa yukta sa sugina nara. He alone who is able to withstand in this very life before casting off this body the urges of lust and anger is a yogi, and he alone is a happy man. Yonda sugo dara rama sta danda arjodi ireva ya sa yogi brahma nirvanam brahma budo digachadi. He who is happy within himself enjoys within himself the delight of the soul, and even so is illumined by the inner light of the soul. Such a yogi, Sankhya yogi, identified with the Brahma, attains Brahma who is all peace. Labande Brahma Nirvana Mrishaya Shina Kalmasha Chinna Dvaida Yadatmana Sarva Budakide Rada. The seeds whose sins have been purged, whose doubts have been dispelled by knowledge, whose disciplined mind is firmly established in God, and who are devoted to the welfare of all beings, attain Brahma, who is all peace. Kama Krodha Viyuktana Yadinam Yadajedasam Abhido Brahma Nirvanam Vartade Vididatmanam. To those wise men who are free from lust and anger, who have subdued their mind and have realized God, Brahma, the abode of eternal peace, is present all round. Svarshangritva Begirbahya Aschakshu Staivandare Bruvo Pranapanu Samau Kritva Nasa Abhyandara Charino Yadendriya Manobuddhya Munirmoksha Parayana Vigadecha Baya Krodo Ya Sada Mukta Eva Sa, shutting out all thoughts of external enjoyments with the gaze fixed on the space between the eyebrows, having regulated the prana outgoing and the abhana incoming breeze flowing within the nostrils. He who has brought his senses, mind, and intellect under control, such a contemplative soul intent on liberation and free from desire, fear, and anger is ever liberated. Bhoktaram Yajnatapasam Sarvaloka Mageshwaram Sugridam Sarvabhudanam Jnatva Mam Shanti Mrichadi. Having known me in reality as the enjoyer of all sacrifices and austerities, the Supreme Lord of all worlds, and the selfless friend of all beings, by my devotee attains peace. Om Tatsaditi Srimad Bhagavad Gita Supanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Sri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Karma Sannyasa Yogo Nama Panjamodhyaya. Thus in the Upanishad sung by the Lord, the science of Brahma, the scripture of yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna, ends the 5th chapter entitled The Yoga of Action and Knowledge. Jai Hind. Thank you to all.